Hello there, I'm going to introduce you to a new and fun way which I have found out to nourish your hair in easy steps and get a salon kind of effect. So let's start. So do you follow hair care routine like a weekly routine or something where you apply oil or weekly आपका mask होता है या hair spa लेते हो आप? Then this video is for you because I also do that. I also follow a good hair care routine because that's what is important for my hair type. In fact, it is important for all of us because आजकल बालों का जो issue है बहुत बढ़ गया है सबका, right? Now I have colored my hair recently and highlights है तो ब्लीच एंड ऑल आ जाता है तो बाल काफ़ी रूखे सूखे और बहुत ही गंदे लगते हैं अगर मैं अच्छे से उसको नरिशमेंट ना दूँ तो ना घर पे अगर आप कर रहे हो तो इधर आपको DIY हेयर मास्क यूज़ करने पड़ेंगे या अच्छा हेयर मास्क यूज़ करना पड़ेगा जो आप एक रूटीन में आपका हेयर स्पा काइंड ऑफ सेट कर रहे हो घर पे. नाउ आई नो इट्स काइंड ऑफ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग बट अगर आपको ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मिले जो आपको 2 स्टेप में 5 मिनट में एक अच्छा सलून काइंड ऑफ इफ़ेक्ट देने वाला है तो फिर आप क्या कहोगे? Definitely हाँ कहोगे, right? So I have this new product which I'm going to try today with you guys, and this is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask. And yes, it's a steam mask. This is very different. This is new on its own because अभी तक इंडियन मार्केट में this kind of mask नहीं आया है जिसमें आपको हीटिंग कैप मिलती है. As I said, this is a self-heating cap. So it actually gives you steamy effect to your hair when you put it on, giving you a salon kind of treatment and instant transformation in just 5 minutes. If you have been to salon and seen that when the process starts after hair mask, they actually wrap a towel or give you steam. और वो जो बड़ा सा helmet kind of आपके बालों पे आके बैठ जाता है, that actually gives you steam. What it does is basically blood circulation बढ़ाता है आपके scalp का and जो product आपका लगा हुआ है वो अच्छे से blend हो जाता है आपके बालों में. Also hydrates the scalp which in return gives you a nice nourished hair and hair growth भी इससे होती है. Just imagine when you steam your face, what happens? Blood circulation बढ़ता है, आपके pores clean हो जाते हैं and the products that you apply later will just penetrate more better and you will have healthy skin. Similarly, when you steam your hair, same process happens and the hair mask that you have applied kind of goes deep inside and works better. And इसीलिए ये hair mask मुझे काफ़ी interesting लगा. Not hair mask, steam mask. So now without wasting any time, let's go to the application process and see how this steam mask is to be used. So let's start with the application. So the steam mask works best when used with Extraordinary Smooth range. So range has this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Shampoo and Conditioner which is silicone and paraben free. You can use on regular basis both of these products, and on the day you want to use the steam mask you can skip the conditioner and just use shampoo and the steam mask. So when you use all these products together they help you get rid of dry and frizzy hair to make your hair 97% smoother in just one use. So make sure to clean your hair with this Extraordinary Oil Shampoo, and after that you are ready for the Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask for deep conditioning treatment. So step 1 is nourishing mask. So you have to apply the cream or a mask onto your hair, thoroughly covering all strands, and then you can move towards the step number 2. So tie your hair in a bun and then you can use the self-heating cap and massage your hair, leaving the cap on for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes you can rinse it off with water and then style your hair as per your preference. And at the last you can use Extraordinary Oil Serum as your final step for the finishing touch to set your hair. So that's my amazing experience with steam mask. I really loved how it actually gives the nourishment to my hair, gives smooth and shiny look. I'm looking forward to use this Extraordinary Oil Steam Mask on weekly basis to give that smoothing treatment to my hair. This L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Smooth Steam Mask is just for rupees 399. So that was my experience about this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil range. If you have any questions about it, anything that you want to know, please comment down, and I hope it was helpful, guys. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till that time, take care of yourself. बाय बाय।